So I call this the pyramid of doom just because it's stupid and it helps you to remember it. What's the smallest number, Zeph, you can roll with a pair of dice?
7 or 2.
Uh, 2. You can roll a 2, right? Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to start at 2, and you're just going to write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7's the top of the pyramid. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This little pyramid's going to help you to memorize how many ways to make each number, okay? 2
Okay.
has 1 way, 3 has 2, 4 has 3, 5 has 4, 6 has 5, and 7 has 6. So this side is really easy to memorize because it's just one less. The number of ways you can roll a 2 is 1 way. The number of ways you can roll a 3 is 2 ways. And then this ones are a little bit harder, right? But notice, no, the 6 is not there. Notice what these add to. What do these add to each time? 14, right?
14.
Okay, so you know that it's 11. You'd say 11 goes with. So if I wanted to figure out how many ways to roll 11, I would say 11 plus what makes 14? 3, right? So I know it's paired up with the 3 is what I'm saying. Does that make sense or no?
Yeah.
And so 3 has 2. So if I said how many ways can I roll a 9, I'd say 9 plus what is 14? 5. So 5 has 4. So there'd be 4 ways to roll it. Okay, that's the first step. You have to understand that pyramid, right? That pyramid helps you. Okay, so the question that you're asking about is what's the odds of rolling a 7? Okay, now first thing, we got to talk about odds. Odds is not probability. Odds is number of ways you can do something versus the number of ways you cannot do something. Yes? So
Yes.
can to cannot. So how many ways can we roll a 7? 6 ways, right?
Yeah.
How many ways can we not roll a 7? 30 ways. Why? Because there's 36 ways you can roll dice, and 30 of them are not 7. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So then you get 6 over 30, which is 1/5. So really, the odds part is one thing, right? You have to understand can to cannot. That's what odds are. And then getting that fraction, you have to understand your pyramid. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And then the one you're asking about, 55, is actually a hard problem. So
Can I have a question about this trick that you
yeah,
just
go
said?
ahead. Yeah, go right ahead.
So you're saying that for 12 there's also only one way, and then for 11 there's two ways, and for
Right.
10 there's three ways.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank
And that makes sense because 12 is only 6 and 6, right? That's the only way
you.
to
Yeah.
do it is 6 and 6, right?
Okay, thank you.